ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gbẹnu tán o. Àwọn obìnrin tí very black dark man post lánàá tí wọ́n mú ọmọ school bíi wọn tí wọ́n lù lálùbami nítorí ọkùnrin torí pé wọ́n ní ń fẹ́ ọkọ àwọn tó sì lóun ọ̀fẹ́ ọkọ wọn wọ́n lu ẹni ẹlẹ́ni wọ́n fẹ́ já òòwò ẹ wojú rẹ̀ wọ́n gé e léyìn wọ́n ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ níta máa ń sọ fáwọn èèyàn nu ìwọ tó bìlíìfù nu jungle justice bọ́ ọ bá ṣe jungle justice bọ́wọ́ ìjọba bá ń bọ̀ ó kéré máa ń jẹ́ ẹlòmíì bìlíìfù pé kò sí tóun ò lè ṣe kò sí nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ìdí máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn tí máa ń hùwà aburú tí wọ́n máa ń bìlíìfù nu pé kò sẹ́ni táwọn ò lè lù kò sẹ́ni táwọn ò lè ṣe léṣe ewu ẹlòmíì ọ̀yọ́ gbòṣẹ́ lómìn wọ́n máa sọ fún yóò ní òsì tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ara ẹ̀ rèé o bí wọ́n bára wọn lọ báyìí bí wọ́n lo ẹ̀wọ̀n bí wọn ò ní lo ẹ̀wọ̀n ẹ̀yin náà wojú ọmọbìnrin yẹn wọ́n pè tí wọ́n bá sọ fún wọn pé àmọ́ màá ṣe báyìí ní òsì tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ báyà wọn náà gbẹ́kẹ̀lé nìkan àmọ́ nísìn ara wọn ló kù sí ẹnu ẹni a wí fún ọlọ́run ọba jẹ́ ó gbọ́ ẹni a wí fún ọlọ́run ọba jẹ́ ó gbà nínú òjìdí tí wọ́n jìdí àwọn mọ̀lẹ́bí wọn nísìn ọmọ tètè wọn náà yóò wà níbi tó sòsì àwọn ni wọ́n dáràn bá ọlọ́run ìjà dáràn o ọlọ́run ìjà ṣòfò nú ayé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bá mi ṣe rẹ̀.
So I and my friend, which is Becky, I went to my foster's mom's place. I went to apologize because we are having an issue with. I also had an issue with Miracle. I pleaded that she should forgive me and she should come. I want to see her that me why. Which she did. She came. Their laundry guy called her that they are seeing some of their missing clothes, which she called Nancy. And Nancy should come to the house. That they should go to the laundry guy place. Which Nancy said, okay, no problem. Nancy then said she was not at home. She also said she was not at home, but they should go to the house at that meantime. Mind you, we were 4 in number that left, which is Favor, but she's not here. We went to the house. When we got to the house, Becky and Nancy started having issues. We already had issues, but I kept it to myself because I don't want anything that would result to fight, but I kept it to myself. But that day, due to the alcohol influence, Favor was now also gingering me, like she was eyeing me, you know, go to your she don't do those kind of things. I then stood up. I went to meet Nancy. I said, we see me then carry do herself for this house because I did help on her wash clothes and the rest. She could not say anything. That time Becky had started beating her already. Before ever the video started, she and Becky already had a fight. I said, what you say me then carry do herself? Then I asked her, why did you tell Fabi, which is the girl that used to do their 2 braces, that I did Kayamata? Were you there? She said no. I said okay, no problem. I slapped her. She then pushed me. I was